Hello again. One of the things I was thinking that would be really useful when you look at Google Calendars, let's bring up a calendar here somewhere. When you have different events and everything is fine, and you click on it, it's got all this text information, which is obviously useful to a degree, but one thing it's missing is images. And if we try to do the edit on this event, for example, you can see in description, you can attach Google documents, you can format the text to some degree, you can make links, erase formatting, you can do just about everything except you can't do images. You can't drop an image or multiple images into a Google Calendar event. And I thought there's got to be a way to do this relatively easily if you needed to for some reason. So the easiest, I guess, way to do it would be to use the Google Drive, and you can add a document attached, and that document could have images. So that's probably, based on what's over here, that's probably the only thing you could do with the tools that they give you. Another way how you could do it, which is how I would do it, is you can use Google Keep. You know, my trusty old Google Keep, good for just about almost anything. So if we go, for example, to LinkedIn here, and I see this little thing from Luca, who is exceptional, highly recommend his Friday networking event, by the way, great guy to know. If I click on this image, there's Luca right there, and if I right click on it and select copy image, then we get the image. Okay, we can't paste this image directly into Google Calendar, but what we could do is you could set up a new note. Okay, I'll just call it Luca. And we can just simply hit Control V to paste it, and it'll drop the image right in there. We can do it with one image, we can do it with multiple images, as many as we want. The beauty of this approach is not only can you put the image in there, I can put any notes I want in here as well. So you can actually do a little meta description, basically, of describing whatever you want to describe in this particular image, and it'll become part of it, so you can search for it, you can find it, things like that. But even if you don't do anything with it, if you just keep it like that, if you bring up this node again, you can see that you have a unique URL for it, for that particular node. Not for the image, but for the node. So if I jump back into my calendar event, and I have this description here, I can actually simply drop the URL in here. I just copied it, and then I can save it. Now I saved it. And in this event, now when you pull it up again, it's going to have the link right up at the top here. All I have to do is click on it, and there's Luca. So this is one of the easiest ways. Like I said, probably Google Drive would be even easier, but you have to set up Google Doc, and it's a little bit more hassle than Google Keep, in my opinion. But this way, you can have these individual little images attached to various calendar events. Obviously, you can reuse them. It doesn't have to be just one image per event. You can actually have multiple images per event, or you can have the same image be used in multiple calendar events. I mean, the link is the link is the link. So that's the simple, quick way I'd recommend you can use to get both imagery into your Google Calendar events, as well as some additional information regarding that particular image, which you do not want to put in the description of the calendar event for whatever reason, but you do want to say something about it, so you can drop it right here in the note, since Keep allows you to put in as much text as you want. With that said, I think we're done for today. Hope this helps. Until next time, I'm Oleg. Feel free to reach out for a one-on-one, or if you have any questions about IT, AI, and anything else I can help you with. Thank you.